Hello everyone, in this new video lesson of our course, I'll show you that how you can install a free SSL on your website. So if you're using the fast commit hosting, which I'd recommend you to use, it's very easy. And the process goes like this. You have to go to the C panel of your website and then you have to go to files, check backup, SEO marketing tools, domains, email, metrics, and then comes the security tab where you have to go and click on this Let's Encrypt SSL. When you click on it, you will see your domains and the subdomains that are connected to your website right now. And then you will see a plus issue button here on which you have to click. So after clicking on this, you will see some options: bestamazingsales.com, mail.bestamazingsales.com, and www.bestamazingsales.com. So these are all the domains and subdomains where your SSL will be included and activated. And then the next thing that you have to do is you have to click here also, because this checkbox will enable SSL on your cPanel, WebVail, WebDisk, CP contacts, and CP calendars. After that, you will come down and you will see you have to get a HTTP-01 SSL certificate, which will be selected by default. And then after that, you have to click on issue. So it would load for a while and then it will tell you that this SSL certificate has now been installed. And recently I was getting this type of error on my website. Your connection is not private. Attackers might be trying to steal your information from bestamazingsales.com. And these are the outcomes if you don't have a SSL installed on your website. And getting an SSL without paying something is very good, because with fast commit hosting you get a free SSL. And today I showed you how you can do that very easily. And then now let's do some other settings that will enable SSL on our full website. Now as I reload my website, you can see I get this option of green padlock here and it says your connection is secure. And if I see my certificate is valid, and then I have to click on OK, and let's go to the admin panel of your website, WP-admin.